Our hair is going long and long every day, but we cannot go out due to lockdown, and we cannot go any kind of barber shop or beauty parlor. So in this video I will show you how you can self cut your hair at home using a basic trimmer. In this video I am going to use Nova trimmer. So let's get started the amazing tutorial how to self cut your hair at home. So to do this you need one mirror, and if this mirror is just beside your washroom or bathroom, that's gonna be very good. Then you need some papers or some extra old newspapers you have to use to collect your cutted hair. And this is not for you guys because I'm going to shoot the video for YouTube, that's why I'm going to use this mobile phone holder, so it is not needed. But basic thing, main important thing, you needed a normal trimmer. I'm going to use Nova trimmer, so you do not have to have a good quality, awesome quality Philips trimmer, Panasonic trimmer, not needed. A basic quality. I have already reviewed this product. I have given all the product buy link and the review link in the description and also an I button, so do check out the review of this particular Nova trimmer. This is 1071 model, so you can also buy. Warning, you will not become Billu Barber just watching this tutorial, but this tutorial will help you and save you from becoming Kabir Singh. Let's get started. So first of all I will cut my beard, and to do this I will use 0 mm. Here is the millimeter 2 mm to 18 mm size is there, size control is there, but to cut my beard I will use 0 mm. So basically we all cut our beard and mustache using this kind of trimmer, but today in this video I will show you how to cut your hair because this is gonna be very important due to lockdown. So let's change the size to 6 mm or 8 mm first of all for cutting this mustache. So for cutting this it is 6 mm, it is okay, it is depending upon you how much you want to keep your mustache, but the main importance starts here, cutting your hair. So first of all you have to protect your hair using your hand or finger, because if you do not protect and any kind of unnecessary cut, your hair will be smaller than other parts. So to save this kind of danger I have to use my hands and fingers before it touch my hair, because it will, if the cutting is there, it only save your hair below your hand, so it will save your hair. So here I am going to start cutting my hair. Follow my tutorial. And if possible you can also use any comb instead of your hand, this will also be very good. So here you can see, just take your hair with the hand and rub the trimmer over there. In this way you can cut your hair very easily, but don't expect any kind of stylish hair cutting. I am just cutting my hair to make it small and good feeling in the summer, because all the barber shop and the beauty parlors are closed right now due to lockdown. Next, after cutting the central hair, you have to cut the side hair. To do this, just minimize the size around 4 mm or 2 mm. Again you have to use your hand because this is very vital. If you cut more hair in the side, it will look like very ugly. That's why you have to protect your hair with your hands or any kind of comb every time when you are cutting for the first time. After some days again and again cutting, it will be very much good. And when you are cutting back side, make the size around 10 mm or 12 mm. Then your hand may not be needed because it is 10 mm 12 mm in the back side of your head is good. Then rub it from bottom to up and slide very smoothly when it is going to center of your head, because if you go in this way then the center of your head will look like ugly. After all this, then from top to bottom cut your back hair very smoothly. In this way you can clean your backside very easily. Look this, if you top to bottom it will clean very easily. So in this way I have completed my cutting hair, and it took around 30 minutes. Here you can see how it's looked. So after taking my bath I will show you how I'm gonna looking. So but in the bottom, in the floor, you can see how much hair is there. So that's why I use newspaper to save my home. So that's why it is completed all the thing. And do let me know in the comment section, out of 5 how much rating will you give in the hair cutting tutorial in this video, and how I am looking. Give me rating out of 5. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video very soon.